everybody, welcome back to Pink K-Pop Academy and welcome back to the 30-day beginner program. So you are going to use this warm-up video every single day for the rest of the 30 days, okay? So we're gonna do some stretching and we're going to do some bounces, which are going to give you a good warm-up to get you ready for the rest of what you're going to learn today, okay? You ready? Let's start with the stretching, okay? This is going to be quicker than the other one because I'm not explaining everything. I know you know what you're doing, so we're just going to go for it, okay? So let's go. Stretch the head to the side. Okay. Lovely stuff. Give me the other side. You can put on some of your own music if you want to while you're doing this. Okay. We're going to bring it down. Okay. Let's bring it up. Give me a circle. Keep it gentle and slow. Okay, and the other way. I close my eyes so I don't get dizzy. Okay, give me the shoulders. Nice big circles. And forwards. Okay, watch your surroundings and arms back. And right forwards. Nice. Okay, we're going to pull one arm across. Remember, keep the body facing front. Just pull on that shoulder. Nice stretch. And the other side. Lovely stuff. Here we go for the elbow. And nice big stretch. Remember, don't be leaning down here. I know it's hard. Okay, other elbow. Okay, we stretch all the way up. Stretch up, 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 up. All you got on your toes. And all the way down. All the way down. Remember, if you can't get on that floor, just hands on your legs is fine. Okay, over to the left for me. All right, over to the right. Up, bend the knees, okay, hands above the knees, and twist. Okay, really stretching out those muscles. Okay, and twist. Okay. Alrighty, now give me a lunge, again keeping that back foot on the floor. Make a bigger step if you need more of a stretch. Okay, and popping it down. Stretch out that leg. And stretch out the other leg. Bring it up to the lunge. Okay, bring it down to me. Get the ankles here. So bring that foot up. Roll, roll, roll. over the other side. Forward. And the other direction. Up the knee up. And twist. Okay, so that's our stretching. Up we go. So now we're going to get in position for our warm up. Okay, so you guys get ready, face aside. I'm just going to set up the music. I'll be right back. Keep going, I know his legs are burning. Keep those shapes nice and big. Okay, forward. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, knees. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, step. 1, 2, Alright guys, well done on finishing your stretching and your warm-up for today. I hope the rest of your videos today go really, really well. And remember, be kind and patient with your body. You're doing an awesome, awesome job. So let's go!